Recently, we met with JBS, a leader in the meat manufacturing industry with large-scale global production operations and a product portfolio with several thousand SKUs. JBS's objective was to improve product margins by optimizing the meat disassembly process to fulfill demand in the most economical way. To achieve this, they needed to revamp their planning process and better connect their supply plan with their operational plan across multiple production facilities. However, their ability to accomplish this was hindered by legacy planning systems that relied on historical data and sluggish manual spreadsheet planning for many processes. We discussed the importance of a planning solution that could provide a full view of up-to-date product availability. This would help determine in real time their quantities of ATP, availability to promise, and CTP, capability to promise. These capabilities are available from the Dassault Systèmes Perfect Production Solution. With Perfect Production, you can build a digital model of all your resources and constraints to enable smart scheduling, efficient inventory management, and optimal meat disassembly to better fulfill demand. With the solution in place at more than a dozen processing facilities, JBS has improved their forward sales position from 30 to 80%, increased their on-time and full delivery rate from 80 to over 90%, while improving product margins. According to a senior vice president at JBS, we chose Dassault Systèmes for its team's deep commitment to understanding the complexities of our meat processing business. Contact us and take the next step in your digital journey.